Hello students, today I am going to teach basic SQL queries. You can see I am going to give you details about all the important SQL queries you will be using while using a database professionally if you will get a job. So how to create a table? Here you can see create table employees bracket id int. Id means id will be the primary key and the data type will be integer. Name varchar 50. I have already told you about data type. Id will be integer, name will be varchar, and the size will be 50. Age will be again integer. Department will be again varchar, and salary will be float. Salary could be in decimal, so salary will be float. Then closing and semicolon. Now after creation, this we will create. Then we will get the format of a table where we'll get the column as id, name, age, department, and salary. Now we want to insert data into it, so we'll write insert into employees. The name of the table is employees, and we'll write what data we want. We want id, we want name, we want age, we want department, we want salary. So we'll write id comma name comma age comma department comma salary, and we'll write values. What we want to insert? We want to insert values. So insert, the syntax is insert into employee. We'll write all the column name and values. What values we want to give? id 1, name John. See, you need to consider one thing. id is there in case of id, because id will be numeric. In case of integer, there will be no single quote, whereas wherever we have specified varchar or character, we have single quote. Name is John, age is 28, department is HR, and again salary is 50,000 without any quote. Now I want to get the detail. I want to get the data from the table employee. Then I'll be writing select all records, select asterisk from employees, semicolon. I want all the data from the table employee. Then I'll be writing select asterisk from employees, and I want some specified column, means I want name, salary only. Then I will be writing select name comma salary from employees. You can see select is in capital letter here. Now if we have to use where clause, if I am using the concept of filtering, we have two concepts, sorting and filtering. Sorting मतलब होता है arrangement of data in ascending and descending order, whereas filtering मतलब होता है to specify